Excuse me, Captain.
Yes, Lieutenant.
I just want to inform you that we have arrived to Planet Samsung, so you can pick up your Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's ready for you. So transporter room is available and it's ready for your immediate transport to the planet to grab your Galaxy Z Fold 2. One to beam down. Finally, I got my package. I got the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So let's get back to the studio and let's go on and do the review. One to beam up to the studio, directly to the studio. That's what I'm talking about. Let's have some fun. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Boom. Playing games on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Absolutely smooth gameplay. Great gameplay. Not gonna have no issues with this phone when it comes down to gameplay. Woo, sweet. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So 2020 has been exciting. Foldable phones. I've been waiting on this for a very long time. I made a video about me switching my daily driver from the Galaxy Note to the foldable phones. And I've been rocking the OG Galaxy Fold 1, and I've been rocking the Galaxy Z Flip. And I've been loving both of these phones. Well, I've been having the Galaxy Z Fold 2 for about 2 days now. And I want to give you guys my thoughts and kind of comparing the original Fold against the new kid on the block, which is the Z Fold 2. Give you my thoughts and impressions about it. Sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the Galaxy Z Fold 2 here and I got the Galaxy Fold 1. I want to kind of describe both of these devices, the differences that I'm seeing so far with both of these phones. Now, the Z Fold 1 or the Galaxy Fold 1 is a fantastic device. I've been having it for over a month now and it's been a dream. I've been using it every day. I cannot put this phone down. So when I received the Galaxy Z Fold 2, I was overly excited about all the new features and enhancements and everything in between with the Z Fold 2. So let's talk about it. Now, obviously, we know the specs. We got the Snapdragon 865 processor. We got 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. We got, when you fold it out, you got a huge 7+ display, and when you fold it closed, you got that now 6+ inch display on the front, which is really nice. I really do like it. It has been very good for me. And compared to the original Galaxy Fold, look, I got used to this smaller display. It wasn't as bad as a lot of people have been thinking, but having the smaller display was okay for me. But having this huge display, oh yeah, it definitely brings it to the next level. We got all the bells and whistles here. Let's go down and compare both of these devices, right? When you look at it, the original Z Fold 1 is a little smaller when it comes down to length. As you can see, it's a little smaller than the newer Z Fold 2. Look at that. And look at the back. Instead of having the Samsung sign here at the top, they got the Samsung sign right in the middle. So that's some new enhancements. When you go to the bottom here, you still got your same ports, but over here, you do have your speaker grill just a little tab longer, right? And on the back, this is where all the changes have happened. The newer kid on the block, you got the new camera array versus the old camera array, right? But don't get me wrong, I really do like the original Fold. It looks really good, right? But if you look at it here, you could tell that both of the devices, it's the newer Fold is bigger than the original Fold. So as you can see, yes, it is bigger. All right, so when you fold it out, all right, when you fold it out, now you start to see the bezels is a little different. All right, let's go ahead and get here with the bezels. All right, boom. So when looking at the original Fold compared to the Fold 2, as you can see, the bezels is different, right? the bezels is a whole lot thinner on the newer fold versus the old fold, and you got the peephole notch instead of the huge notch. Now, look, don't get me wrong. The original fold is fantastic. I mean, it's fantastic. Everything about it is good. I didn't have any issues with this phone, having it for over a month. I didn't pacify it. I didn't babyfy it. You know, I just use it as a normal device. I mean, look, I don't be rough on my phones at all. So, but having the original fold, I did not pacify it at all. So I'm not gonna pacify the new fold. I mean, look, I got cases and stuff coming. They all on back order and stuff like that. But I got cases coming for the Z Fold 2. But when you look at the displays, you do have some differences here, right? Now you have a high refresh rate on this display versus a 60 hertz display on here. And look, we talked about it here that you don't see any major differences unless you have something that's running 120 hertz, but it's adaptive hertz anyway. So just try to save battery life. So all in all, you're gonna get a smooth experience, especially with the chipset and everything in between with the new Z Fold 2. But the old G style, man, I'm gonna tell you, this phone is fast, this phone is fluid. I don't have no problems with the original Fold. All right, so one of the unique features that the new Fold have, and this is what I like, that now you can have a very good experience, and now you can have it tilted any kind of way you want to, especially if you want to get some work done. So now you can have a keyboard at the bottom and you can have something at the top and you can have a nice typing experience. So I like that. I really do like that, especially when it coming from the OG style. You don't have that option. Right, you don't have that option. Either you go close it or you go open it, but you don't have that option to have as far as that. So when looking at both of these devices, it's definitely different. All right, so I like the new implementation that Samsung has with the new Fold. Now let's talk about these buttons here. Now, one of the things that Samsung have changed is right here as far as the power button. So on the OG Galaxy Fold, you have your fingerprint scan and a power button and a volume rocker up and down. On the newer one, you have the power button and the fingerprint scanner integrated together. So once you hit the power button, your fingerprint will automatically register. So you don't have that third button here on the newer Z Fold 2 compared to the Z Fold 1. All right. Ooh, this phone is absolutely a dream. I love the thin bezels on here. I love that when you looking at this device, it is King Supreme. Ah, man, it's King Supreme. So I'm excited. I'm excited for the original Fold. I'm excited for the Fold 2, and this is going to be my daily driver. Now, a lot of people talk about the price and the crease and everything in between, and I explained a lot of that in my previous videos about the price and everything in between. Look, here's the thing, man. I won't justify these phones being $2,000, but at the end of the day, look, this is going to be a one device for everything. Phone calls, business, tablet, everything in between. This is what you pay your $2,000 for. You pay your $2,000 to get everything in one device, and you're getting that with this phone, right? So you get everything in the kitchen sink with this device. Now, don't get me wrong, Samsung took away some stuff, right? You get 256 gigs of storage instead of 512. Right now, on the original Galaxy Fold, you got everything in the box. You got buds, you got 512 gigs of storage. You got all the bells and whistles. And look, I love anybody that asks, should you buy the original Galaxy Fold versus the Z Fold 2? The original Galaxy Fold is a beast. So all my tech toys, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I'm going to give you guys full coverage of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 here on this YouTube channel. Let's have some fun, man. Whew. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Stay tuned and subscribe. I got a lot of content coming out with all the tech toys that I have in my arsenal. If you like tech, stay tuned and subscribe. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.